Hi everyone, welcome to the cocktail vlog. I'm Steve the bartender and today I'm showing you how to make a banana rum old fashioned. So before I start, I want to say a massive thank you to Jack from Rum Merchant on Instagram. He reached out to me and he was eyeing off the Xocolatl rum and discovered that he couldn't actually buy it in the US. So he thought I would try it on his behalf. And I ever so graciously said yes. I haven't tried the Xocolatl rums before. They've got a few. They've got 2 spice rums, and this is their banana spice rum. I've had a smell, I've had a small taste, and it is absolutely delicious. It's really, really good. It's a blend of South Pacific rums, so it's got Fijian and Papua New Guinean rum, and then the rums are imported over to Australia and they're blended here. They're aged for a couple more years in North Queensland, which is a tropical region of Australia, and then it's also infused with fresh bananas. Queensland is also known for having a lot of bananas, so therefore it's like a match made in heaven. Rum, banana, up in northern Queensland, and this is absolutely amazing. So I'll give it a tasting on camera as well. Bit of a description, because for you guys in the US that can't actually get a hold of this, I'm sorry, but you'll just have to trust me when I say it's really delicious. On the nose, it's just got fresh banana. Like the banana is the first thing that comes through. It's very, very prominent. It's dominant on the nose, but then you've got notes of like clove, subtle vanilla. It's not overly sweet. It's only the natural sweetness from the banana itself. I know their other spice rum doesn't have any added sugar, so I think the original spice rum was used as a base for this rum with the addition of the bananas. So potentially, don't quote me on this, but I don't think there's any additional sugar apart from the natural sugars from the banana. And it's a drier style spice rum. A lot of spice rums that are out there are loaded with caramels or sugar. This would be a very, very good mixing rum, and hence why I'm making a cocktail with it. So I'm going to finish this first before I go on. That's absolutely delicious, and the nose on this is incredible. You can do it one of 2 ways. You can mix it straight in your mixing glass and then pour it over fresh ice into a glass. Today I'm using Demerera sugar and I'm using granules, so I want to keep that like nice, the granules and the extra sugar at the bottom of the drink, so that when it evolves, that sugar is left in the glass as opposed to the bottom of this glass, and I can actually enjoy it. But I'm going to start with grabbing a big heaped Barspoon of Demerera sugar. Also, I've got a Demerara syrup. I could use that. I'd probably only add, it's a 2-to-1 syrup, so I could probably only add 5 ml. Same again, a Barspoon. And then my choice of bitters, I'm using Xocolatl, which is a cacao and other spices in this particular bitters. It's got a bit of chocolate. It kind of tastes like dark chocolate, essentially. So I'm going to add 3 dashes to that one. I'm just going to mix it through and just make sure that sugar has kind of started to dissolve with the bitters. Let's turn it into a bit of a paste. And the advantage of using that Demerara sugar as well is it's got a richer and more intense flavor. It's unrefined, so it still does have some of that molasses on the sugar granules. So yeah, it's just more intense and it has more flavor. And it's just, even though it's sugar, it's sweet, it still has a tiny little bit of additional bitterness to it, but only slightly. Now I'm going to measure out 60 ml, 2 ounces. Add that straight in the glass. Add about 5 big cubes in there, and then just stir it down. I'm going to stir it for about 30 seconds. And if you did want to replicate this, you could use your favorite spice rum or your favorite rum and use a small portion of banana liqueur, say like Gifford's banana liqueur, maybe 15 ml, half an ounce would be ideal. And then depending on the sweetness of the particular banana liqueur you use, you might want to lower the sugar content, just that tiny little bit. So top it up with ice again. Then I've got some banana chips, so these are just dehydrated banana. Throw them in. And there you have a banana old fashioned using Xocolatl spiced banana rum. Sorry guys, America. Just smells like sweet banana, like it smells delicious. You're gonna have to try this somehow. Get your hands on a bottle of Xocolatl spice rum. By the way, this is not a paid advertisement. Jack just sent it to me because he's an awesome bloke. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon for another cocktail video. Cheers.